This tiny detail can save you thousands. We recently onboarded a client and they'd okayed the purchase of a Ford Ranger. However, they forgot the tiny detail of which model is and isn't allowable, and now they're paying the price. And that price was the Ford Ranger Raptor that this individual had gone out and purchased didn't qualify as a commercial vehicle because the payload capacity was below 1,000 kg. It's approximately 652 kg for this specific model. The purpose of the vehicle wasn't primarily for the transportation of goods, so it wasn't a goods vehicle. It could cart passengers around, it had the back seats, and it had the side windows. That's not allowed. Then the recent HMRC guidance stated that vehicles that are also for the transportation of passengers and also for primarily goods purposes, so they can transport goods, are no longer allowed. There's more specifics to that, but that's the overview. Here's what they should have bought. What they should have purchased was the Ford Ranger XL, which is a single cab with 2 seats, meaning that the primarily purpose of construction of the vehicle is for transportation of goods, so it passes the right design purpose. This specific model has a payload capacity of approximately 1,200 kg, which is above the 1,000 kg, which is the criteria point from HMRC, meaning that the HMRC classification is now that this vehicle is treated as a van for tax purposes, which gives you the benefits of 100% VAT reclaimed back into your bank account or reduced of your VAT bill. It gives you lower benefit in kind, either zero or a flat rate allowance per year, and the first year allowance, which means you can claim the full cost for the purpose of corporation tax, is also eligible. Meaning that this is the right car for you to purchase, and that tiny detail that the accountant missed cost this individual well over £10,000.